Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you an unboxing video of the Skydroid G11 remote controller. The G11 is a flagship remote controller developed by Skydroid, and it is also Skydroid's first remote controller powered by the Linux operating system. It is mainly designed for drones, robots, unmanned vehicles, unmanned boats and other equipment, integrating remote control, video transmission and data transmission into one device. First, let's take a look at the packaging of the G11. As you can see, the G11 comes in packaging with specially designed shock-absorbing foam, which provides good protection for the remote controller and its accessories and effectively reduces the risk of damage caused by impacts during transportation. After opening the package, let's take a look at what accessories are included. First, we have the main product of today's video, the Skydroid G11 remote controller. Next, we have the R20 Ethernet cable, GR01 PWM cable, GR01 PIX telemetry cable, XT30 power cable, GR01 feeder cable, GR01 receiver, .4G 5.8G dual-band antennas. The G11 supports both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequency bands and can automatically switch between the two bands according to the actual operating environment and application requirements, helping ensure stable signals and efficient data transmission. We also have a Type-C data cable. That's everything included in the G11 package. Next, let's take a closer look at the G11 remote controller itself. One of the biggest features of the G11 is its Linux operating system. Unlike traditional open-source system solutions, the G11 is deeply customized and developed based on the Linux platform. This reduces unnecessary system components and lowers the risk of software conflicts and system crashes at the source, providing industrial-grade unmanned equipment with a more stable, smooth and low-latency control experience. In terms of body design, the G11 weighs approximately 477.4 grams and adopts an ergonomic curved design. While providing a comfortable control experience, it can also reduce fatigue during long periods of operation. Dimensions: 220 mm, 67 mm, 115 mm. The G11 features a built-in 10,000 mAh high-capacity battery, providing approximately 5 to 6 hours of operating time, which can meet the needs of extended continuous operation. For the display, the G11 is equipped with a 4.5-inch Full HD touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x1080, allowing users to clearly view real-time video and equipment status. It also supports real-time OSD information overlay, allowing operators to view flight data, video transmission status, and other information directly on the screen, making it easier to monitor the equipment in real time. For communication, the G11 supports dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz operation, as well as automatic frequency hopping. Under line-of-sight conditions with no obstructions between the ground and the air, the maximum control range can reach up to 20 kilometers, meeting the requirements of long-range control for different unmanned platforms. In terms of interfaces, the G11 is equipped with PPM, Ethernet, and Type-C interfaces, allowing it to connect to different peripheral devices and support video transmission, data transmission, and remote control. For control, the G11 features 11 physical channels. The buttons and switches are arranged in a well-designed layout with clear tactile feedback. Even when it is inconvenient to look down at the remote controller, operators can still perform blind operations. The G11 can be used with a wide range of unmanned platforms, including robots, helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multi-rotors, unmanned vehicles, and unmanned boats. In addition to the G11 remote controller, this package also includes a GR01 receiver. The GR01 also supports dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz operation and can work with the G11 to provide stable remote control, video transmission, and telemetry links for unmanned equipment. The GR01 supports multiple serial baud rates, including 57600, 115200, and 921600. The GR01 features one telemetry interface, one Ethernet port, one SBUS output, and 3 PWM interfaces, meeting the connection requirements of different flight controllers and unmanned platforms. Its input voltage range is 7.2 V to 80 V, and it uses an XT30 power interface. In terms of over-the-air data rates, the uplink speed can reach up to 200 kbps. The GR01 measures approximately 45.560 to 1.5 mm and weighs approximately 36 grams. Its operating temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, with an RF output power of 23 dBm at CEFCC. At the same time, the GR01 supports multiple channel bandwidths, including 1.25 MHz, 2.5 MHz, 5 MHz, 10 MHz, 20 MHz, and 40 MHz, allowing users to select the appropriate bandwidth according to the actual application scenario. Overall, the Skydroid G11 has been optimized for industrial-grade unmanned equipment applications in terms of system stability, battery life, display, physical controls, and dual-band communication. Combined with the GR01 receiver, it can form a complete remote control, video transmission, and telemetry solution for a wide range of applications, including drones, robots, unmanned vehicles, and unmanned boats. That's all for today's Skydroid G11 remote controller unboxing and product introduction. Thank you for watching.